Let me show you how you can update your Windows 11 drivers and fix common errors like Wi-Fi not connecting, Bluetooth not working, printer detection issues, sound or microphone problems, and so on. On your computer, click on the Start button. Now, click on the Settings icon. After doing so, click on Windows Update. You can see here in the Windows Update, I need to update my drivers. So I'll be doing that. Watch carefully. Go to the Advanced option. Next, you should click on Optional Update. Now, click on Drivers Update, and here you will see list of drivers you need to update in your computer. Click to select all. Select all. Please subscribe if you know you are new to my channel, and like and also leave a comment below. After selecting all, click on Download and Install. Here you have to wait for drivers to download and install. During this process, your computer will ask for a restart. Restart your computer and I promise you everything will be fixed. The Bluetooth not working will be fixed, the Wi-Fi connecting error will be fixed, and so on. So let's check if we were able to download and install the drivers correctly. We are having two that we need to download and install while the other one is downloading. So let's check Advanced options and go to Optional Update. Okay, here in Optional Update, we don't have any one here. Every drivers now is updated. Here, let's just click on Download and Install, and you have to give it time to download and install. And I promise you, Wi-Fi not connecting error will be fixed, Bluetooth not working will be fixed, printer not detecting issues will be fixed, sound and or microphone problems will be fixed. So please subscribe, like, leave a comment below. Let me know what video you want me to make next.